Welcome, from me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the test mode or factory mode, however you want to call it. And to get started, obviously let's hold the power key, select power off, and turn it off. Now I'll also mention while the device is turning off, this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you just don't know. So let's wait for it to turn off, and once it has, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. So come on, turn off already. Wait for the vibration. There we go, there was the vibration. So once you feel the phone vibrate, that means that it's fully off. And what you want to do now is, like I said, hold power key, volume down, both of them at the same time. And this will take you to the factory mode. So from here, you want to use volume down key, as you can see, to navigate through this, and you want to select the third option from the bottom, the one that you can see has actual English letters or just normal alphabetical letters, so EMMC. And once it's selected, press power key to confirm it, and this will begin formatting the entire device. So this will take approximately over 5 minutes, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.